Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a selfish prince in a magnificent castle. On a stormy night, he turned away a poor old woman who asked for shelter. Unknown to him, she was a powerful enchantress who, feeling his cold heart, cursed him, turning him into a beast. Far from this castle, in a quaint village filled with joy and laughter, lived a kind-hearted and curious girl named Belle. She loved to read, her imagination soaring to adventures far beyond her small village. One chilly day, Belle's father ventured into the forest, seeking to sell his clever inventions, but he got lost amidst the snow-covered trees. Desperate for shelter, he stumbled upon the beast's castle and was quickly locked away in a dark, gloomy tower. Determined to save her father, Belle ventured through the snow-laden forest to the castle. Bravely, she offered herself in exchange for her father's freedom. The beast agreed, yet beneath his frightening appearance, Belle gradually discovered a gentle and lonely heart. Days turned into weeks, and Belle's friendship with the beast blossomed. Their bond became a light in the dark corners of the castle. One special evening, they danced in a sparkling ballroom, candles by magic afloat, where Belle, in a shimmering gown, glimpsed the kindness beyond the beast's form. The spellbound castle was full of enchanting surprises waiting to uncover the truth that beauty dwells within the heart. Finally, with tenderness and love, Belle confessed her feelings. In a swirl of golden magic, the beast transformed back into a handsome prince.